start the video. So my mom is going to help with this.
Wait a minute, I'll open this line
And
for you
it's
guys.
so amazing. You can color them, and then you can wash them, and then color them, and repeat, and do anything you want. So we got it all set up except the crayons are falling. Except the crayons. So I then wanted to color.
You tell them what's this.
So this is a bathtub, and and this is like the instructions for the bathtub or something.
Let me open it for you.
Yeah. So for now, there's no water because the water is not essentially. So here's my cat. Come on, kitty. So here's my cat here. She wanted to say hi. Hi.
Can you give me that?
Okay. So I have a kitten, just like my cat. I got a kitten, just like my cat. And I got a dog. I got a rabbit. And I got like another dog, which is like with some hair. So we're going to color. Oh.
And what's this?
And this is the brush to brush the pets off when there's more, a little bit more color. So
The kid is disturbing you.
Meow, don't eat.
Actually, it's a real cat.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Don't eat the crayons, okay? Okay, kitty?
See?
Mommy, there's no water.
Oh, just pretend water first.
Put the water over here and pump this one.
Yeah, then it will have a shower. And yeah, it will shower like that.
Ah!
Kitty.
Bad
Since we're in
kitty.
the carpet, we will not do it. Okay?
Okay.
So that's it?
Yeah.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
You can draw something on the pet's face.
Don't eat a kitty, okay? I want you a bad
This is
girl.
the better. This is the like
Instructions?
things you can do.
Yeah, so you can.
That's the construction.
Yeah.
Not construction, honey.
So this is, you can correct. So we got this doll. So we got this, right?
This is Francesca.
Yeah, it's Francesca.
And we have
And we have Francesca.
Peach.
Oh yeah, we have Peach. Is that one? Peach?
And Scooter.
Oh yeah, we got Scooter the dog.
And Clyde.
Yeah, Clyde the bunny.
Okay. That's it.
Yeah, bye. End the video. Bye.